Happy Mother's Day, Ya Sayyidati Fatima-tu-Zahra, Salam علیها. Happy Mother's Day, Ya Sayyidati Fatima-tu-Zahra. O Mother of the Imams, Mother of the Martyrs, Mother of Mercy, Mother of Light, O علیها, we salute your compassion and purity, the first ray of divine mercy. Where motherly love reaches perfection, Fatima stands there. Light our lives with your character. We are your servants. Your love is our treasure. Your doorstep is our only hope. Happy Mother's Day, O Mother of the Imams, Mother of the Martyrs, Mother of Mercy. Happy Mother's Day, Ya علیها. Today, what gift have we presented to Sayyidati Fatima-tu-Zahra, Salam علیها, on Happy Mother's Day? For example, a tasbih, a surah, a good deed, a verse, or a salawat tasbih, anything that we have gifted today in honor of her. And if we have not yet presented any gift in her service, let us do so now, inshallah. Surely Sayyidati Fatima, Salamullah alaiha, accepts the sincere gift, and whatever gift comes from her side will be the best gift, both in this world and the hereafter. Happy Mother's Day, Ya Abiha.